Hey, cuz, I'm defending the... What's this building called?
What?
What's this building called?
So what's going on?
We're defending this.
Okay, so where are they coming from?
That way.
In the woods?
Yeah, that section. So you guys are gonna hold the front. So, we're down here. You're gonna be watching through the window.
I kind of want to be in the front of this guy.
Another guy in there, and one guy at the front. All right. I'm gonna be outside. I'm gonna be right over there.
Can I cover this way?
What? Go wherever.
This way?
Just don't let them in here, because if they get in here, we can't respawn. Actually, I'm popping down there. I'm laying down fire. I get you down.
I'm ready.
You guys ready?
Yeah, my mask keeps...
Okay, so where are our
You're
positions?
met. Here, keep it on. Here, turn. 1 second. Let me tighten up. Is that good? Too tight?
See, an airsoft with all buds.
And then put it there.
Last game of the day. My phone better not crack.
Is it the last?
For me, it is.
You might want to get rid of the sling. It's making it go sideways.
Oh. Here. Thank you for telling me that.
Yeah, this one right here, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so should we start in there? Yeah. All right, y'all guys move up.
I don't get this. How big of a room do we get?
They can come from the woods. You can go full out onto the woods. And they come from there. You can't go full out that way, all right?
This is a respawn?
This is our respawn. How many respawns do we have?
All right, defenders, are you ready?
How many respawns do we have? Two.
Got it!
Rex, are you ready?
This could be awesome. Let's just hope it's right in.
Where are they?
I don't know. I don't have eyes on yet. Just take the shot.
Anybody got eyes?
No, but I'm just taking shots.
Is there no way for them to get in there?
Someone watch my 6. So quiet. No, but it's quiet. Too quiet. Whoa!
Right in front of you.
I can't get a shot. They pinned me. Almost shot. Anyone got eyes on? I don't see a thing. What?
Crane.
The spray?
Watch out.
Down there! Whoa, shots are coming down range at me.
Where?
My 12! Ah! Hit! Hit! Where's respawn?
Right in that room.
Nice shot! I'm hit! Back in!
The left corner of the bushes. You see him?
No.
Look like straight that way. I see him.
On the kill house.
They're in the kill house?
They're on the back of it.
Okay, into the kill house! Into the kill house! Shoot. Cupcakes! Did it work?
Hey! You alright?
Down the hallway. Saw barrel movement. Got my AK.
Hold on, you, go back. Hold there. Hey, you alright?
Are they down there?
Alright! Three! Alright, fuck the countdown, good job.
Oh, shoot, shots are coming in. Shots are coming in. Watch the windows.
Got you.
Don't leave your cover. They're focusing on your cover.
He's right in the window right there.
What window?
Dude, you don't see the window right there?
I see the window, but I don't see anyone there.
He was right there.
Ah, stupid safety.
Yeah?
What?
Got eyes?
No, but I think I saw someone. They're in the building!
Can't move.
Don't move.
Oh god, I wish we could blind fire right now. Dude.
Hold on, there's two guys right there.
Guys, I think they're in the building!
Guys,
Scream it.
Two of them are over there. Straight
Got
over
it.
there, out that window.
In the building! I saw light movement! Saw shots coming this way.
Yo, dead coming in. Dead going to respawn. Dead going to respawn. Dead going to respawn.
yep, in the window.
Where are you, Jim?
Anyone have a thunder bee?
I'm moving up. Two right there.
Yo, Jake.
Two people right there.
Right there. Right here.
Cover this side if they come around. You know.
Do you see him?
No, but he does.
Watch the left side.
Got it. Let me put away my pistol.
See him? Dude, we should both be such a
How close are they?
Hey, dude!
What's the other
My thunder bee! My fake thunder bee's on the floor. Pick it up and throw it in there.
The pigment over.
See him?
They're in the building.
Oh, is that out of play?
Don't shoot him.
Yeah, I almost did. Dude, do I have any ammo left?
It's still not coming out.
Watch the right flank.
Dude, my mask is fogging.
Never mind.
Not full auto.
Anyone there?
No. Move up here.
Move up, move up.
Watch the window. Watch down.
I know, just hold on.
Oh, sorry. How'd you get out? Watch there. Watch the window.
Got it.
Move up and watch it.
You know?
No. Holy! Can you stop shooting the wall?
I'm not. I'm shooting out that window.
Yeah, but don't shoot the wall. You keep shooting the wall, you're getting ricochets on me. Watch your fire. Oh, my leg. Pulled a muscle. Sweat my glasses.
Yeah, can we push in?
Dad coming in. Dad coming in.
Got it. Movement! I'm sorry. Got it.
What? Yeah, that's actually everyone. So.
All right.
Wow.
Concentrating on you.
Yeah, you
And you got me.
Wait, so is that game?
Yeah.
That's game. Clearing chamber. Clear. Clear chamber. Bags out.
That's game!
Now to watch that. See what happened. Boom, your hat off. Mask out. Now to watch that entire clip.